Hey everybody, it's Scott coming at you with another video today, another guitar tutorial. Since the tutorial for Rattle went so well, figured I'd do another one. This one's based on the request put in by Nate Martin in the first video. So thanks for this suggestion, Nate. I had never heard it before. It's kind of an awesome song. This one is Never Lost, the Backroom Session by Elevation Worship. Lots of cool guitar stuff going on. It's pretty jazzy. It's pretty free-flowing. So consequently, I'm not going to show you exactly how he plays it. I can show you generally how he plays it. He's doing a lot of just ad-lib, pentatonic scale stuff, which I'll show you how he's doing it, but forgive me if it's not identical to how he's playing it. I will show you what the chords are and all the different licks he does, but I'm not going to play it all the way through. Anyway, you should have a good understanding of how to play this song after watching this video. So, without further ado, here we go. The song is again in E-flat standard tuning, so take every string on your guitar, tune it down a half step. And now E's are E-flats. So, that's how we're going to start. The intro starts with just the guitarist, and he's doing a lot of stuff in this pentatonic scale up here. I will tune real quick. Yeah, so quick review on the pentatonic scale. It's pretty simple. Keep your hand right here in this 4-fret box in the key of E. And then you're going 12, 9, 12, 9, 11, 9, 11, 9, 11, 9. So 12, 9, 12, 9, 11, 9, 11, 9, 11, 9, 7, 9, 7. So that's where a lot of these licks are coming from, just that scale right there. And because you're staying in the same box, you can play two notes at the same time, and they sound pretty good together. So you can be really dirty with it, and it sounds pretty good. So that's what he's doing in this intro. He's going. All right, so that intro, you're going E, B over D sharp, C sharp minor, back to the lick, then A. Now in the verse. So let me play along with the intro. So same chords, E, B over D sharp. Alright, what was that? Whoa! That was 9, B in the E string, 7, 9, 7. Just bar it and go. So pretty easy there. The entire chord progression, minus all the licks he's doing, is, for the verse it is E, B over D sharp, C sharp minor, A, F sharp minor 7, then repeat, so E, then A. Now we're going to the pre-chorus. So the first time through here, he's playing this high. So it's F sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, A sus 2, and he gives it a little whammy. Pick through it, and then B. Alright, now we're in the chorus, so that's E, B over D sharp, C sharp minor, B minor, E, then A. Alright, so this first time through the chorus, he's gonna kind of do some improv here. So he's going A, 2, 3, 1. So he's mimicking what the melody is doing. So A, 2, 3, 1. And that is 12th fret B string, 9th fret, 10th fret G string. Then back up to this G sharp minor 7 here. Just like that. And then go down to F sharp minor 7, E over G sharp, then A, then B. Kind of walking up the scale after that.
Cause you've never lost a battle. No, you've never lost a battle. And I know you never will. Everything.
Alright, so what was that? Let me tune again. Alright, so that whole lick, before we go back into the next verse, is a pentatonic scale descending run. So you're starting on the 12th fret B string, and you're hammering off to the 9th fret B string. Just running all the way down. I'm picking once on each string and I'm just pulling off. Then you go on A minor, right there, and you're hammering on your pinky on the 7th fret. And then it's a B minor 7. It doesn't sound like a B minor 7. It sounds like a D. But B is the root. So that's why it's a B minor 7. So it's... Alright, so that is first verse, pre-chorus, chorus, outro to the chorus, and now we're on verse 3, which is pretty much the same thing, but there's another little funkiness in here.
By the power of the Holy Ghost, a new
More pentatonic stuff.
is blowing right now, breaking my heart and soul, taking over like it's Jericho. In my
Alright, so that little thing. So it's going same chords as always, you know, E, D, B over D sharp. That little lick, I'm just playing fifths here, so this is E, just these two notes here, and slide it up to F sharp, and then bar the 9th fret and get the D and the B string there. Then you go down to the B and you hammer on up to the C sharp minor. That.
walls are all crashing down.
Alright, another lick here he's doing for the pre-chorus. Some more pentatonic stuff. He's barring, playing two notes at the same time, so. So it starts. If you were to play it without the extra note, it would be this. I'll do that again slower. Then you just add on these extra notes. Doesn't even matter what they are. They're all going to sound good, and they're all going to sound like you did it on purpose.
And my walls are all crashing down right now. I know you're able, and my God, come through again.
Just make sure you end on the B there. Then we're back in the chorus.
All things you can do.
right, now we're in a different chorus, different chord progression. Vocalists are doing the same thing, but it's a different chord progression underneath, and it starts with the guitar player doing another pentatonic funky do. Something like that. So you do that run, then you're ending in a D sharp diminished chord here. So that is D sharp here. And I just get a D shape with my other fingers, you know, if I do that here, but I'm doing a D shaped chord, but on the next set of strings down, so that is 7th fret, 8th fret, 7th fret on the D, G, and B string. So I do that with my later 3 fingers, then with my pointer I go to the D sharp. So that's D sharp diminished, and then we're going to G major, or just G7, G dominant 7. And then back to the regular chords, so C sharp minor. You can do all these before. Alright, so here's how that goes.
I know, you never will. You can do all things. You can do all things but fail. 'Cause you never lost a battle. No, you've never lost a battle. And I know, you never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. You never will.
So for this part, we're doing those same high chords that we did in the first pre-chorus. F sharp, minor 7, G sharp, minor 7, A sus2. Do that 2 times through, and then you drop down and play those same chords, but you start building and kind of driving it.
Lost a battle. You never lost a battle. You never will. You never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. You never lost a battle. So faithful. I
Alright, that was a little crazy. So this last chorus is huge and you're going 4 hits on the E there. Then you stop it. And then you do this weirdness. I keep screwing it up. You're doing that. So if you didn't notice earlier, there are a few spots in the video where it's very clear that they overdubbed. So if you watch the video here, you can see it looks like he's doing this. Sorry. But if you listen closely, I don't think he's actually doing that. I think he re-recorded it to match what the guy on the keys did on the roadie. So to me, it sounds like he's doing this. Nope, that's not what it sounds like. To me, it sounds like he's doing this. So I looked these chords up. Apparently, this is F sharp 6, flat 5, no 3 to start. And then it's these chords that are the same thing, but they're up here. So for this first chord, I've got a D shape, but I'm on the next set of strings down, like that diminished chord earlier. So I've got D string, 4th fret, G string, 5th fret, 4th fret, B string. Sounds like that. Then I'm jumping up here to the E, B, and G string. And that is, what fret are you? 8. So it's 8th fret, 10th fret, 8th fret, E, B, G string. Then to slide that down to the 5th fret, and back where we started. So it's all together that's. Then you just gotta do that really fast, and that's hard. That took me a long time to learn that. So we'll keep it going. I'll try to do it again with the track. That part's different too. So you do the thing, then you go C sharp minor, so that is a, I wrote all these down, where'd it go? Just a B minor 7, okay. So, C sharp minor, you can do. So doing B minor 7, then you're walking up the scale here, starting with E. So it's E, F sharp minor 7, E over G sharp, A2, whatever. You never lost a battle, and Then you're back to chorus 2, which has the D sharp diminished chord and the G sharp dominant 7. So that's so let's listen.
Cause you never lost a battle. No, you've never lost a battle. And I know you
Here we go. And he does the same exact lick he did before. Something like that. And then right there, it's another cool thing. So instead of going straight to the B minor, he just walks down half step by half step. So I'm just doing fifths there. Then that last part, you're just mimicking the melody that they all sing, the no 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 no. So again, pentatonic scale right up here. End it with an A sus2, whatever the heck this thing is. And that's everything. I believe I've showed you everything there is. Again, I might not have been perfect, but I can get you in the ballpark of what he does in the video. So I hope this helps. Thanks for suggesting it, Nate, whoever you are. Thanks for subscribing too. This is kind of fun. So keep the recommendations coming. I can keep making videos for you guys. This is fun for me. So let's keep it going. Subscribe, share, like, comment, do all the fun stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.